Guys, today we are playing the scariest house with Luigi.
Oh, hell no.
Go to the lobby and go to the lobby. Alexis. Alexis.
Mama
Alexis
me.
accepted. Hello, Alexis. Hello. Only two. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh my god, it's so scary.
Oh, hell no. What?
Oh, I'm very scared. It's my first
Oh,
time.
hell no.
This is my first video I've ever done. Oh boy.
Saan ka po, Francis?
Where's Lexis? Because we're in the different room. I'm gonna grab this shotgun.
Oh, may shotgun ka?
And okay, guys. Open the door. Lexis! I found the flashlight. I'm gonna go. Lexis, let's find a way to escape this horror game. What is that? Is that ice? Is that ice? You see that, Lexis? See that?
Hanap natin yung
Yes,
ano,
the
na
mirror.
gamit.
No, we need to find a key. We need to find the key.
This.
Let's go. The cabinet.
Wala.
I'm hiding. Haha.
Wala.
This? No. We need to find the key. We need to find the key. We need to find it. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Can I hide? Hide! Oh! Oh no! Lexis! Oh.
Hell no. Andyan
I'm
ba
gonna
siya?
pick in the door. I'm gonna pick in the door.
May shotgun ka?
I have a shotgun. I forgot. Where's the monster? It opened the door. Oh boy. That's a monster. See that? See that? See that?
Hey, in the closet!
I'm hiding in the closet. No, we're not scared. Come on, let's go.
Wala ako balang yan.
Let's go.
May napulot
Come on.
nalitaw. Nakita mo ba?
I'm very scared.
Oo, mama.
Good thing I have a shotgun. Ain't scary anymore. See the red figures. I see the red. See that, guys? See that? See that?
Baril!
No, I will not fire. Wait, what is that?
Hey, the monster!
Ah! Ah! Oh, I am out of bullets. Let's go here. Come on, run!
Mama.
Find a way to get to the old gate. We need a key.
Ibang klase.
Mama!
Mama!
Ikaw?
Run! After me! Ah! No. Yes, he's behind you! He's behind you! Stay away! Oh no!
That's close. Where are you?
Let's go. We need to find a key. We need to find the key. We need to find the key. Hmm.
Dapat bumaga dyan.
Oh boy. Where it could be? I need some ammo. Stop the thing. No. Marley. I don't know how to do it.
Kaya
I'm very scared. What is this? Tire. Rolling cut.
What's that?
Whoa, that's very cool. Oh, shotgun ammo.
Huwag na, mamaya na
Let's
lang.
go.
Ay, sa aso.
Ma-reload, ma-reload. Gimme some time.
Sarado natin.
Need to find something.
Yan, key! Key!
What's that easy? What is it? What is it? Oh,
Uli, no?
what's this?
Parang gusto.
Ano yan? Ano yun?
I'ma turn off the volume. I'ma turn off the volume. Wow, there's a flashlight. Yes, there's a second. That's yours. You need to find your ammo. You, what's this? What's this? Go back up, go back. Let's go. Oh, there's. Oh, that's this area. Oh, yeah, the monster. Let's see, let's see. Let's see it. No, go back, go back. Follow me. What's that? Really that? Really. What? Really that? No. We're scared. We're super scared. I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, the god thing. Oh my god. Oh, oh, where's Lucy? No. Lucy! I just got attacked. I just got attacked by a monster. Please go. Oh, the got I'm scared. I'm dead. Very good to the family. He saw the flashlight. Oh no. Oh no, that's coming. Oh boy. I need to find a flashlight. Oh, okay. This is flashlight is slow. You don't have a flashlight anymore. Oh boy. I'm very scared now. Why me? Master. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm recording this. Recording. Isn't that? I'm gonna go. Should we go back? Need to find it. I'm alone now. Where's it now? I'm alone. Let's log off. I'm alone. Please. Please, find it. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. So make sure to like and subscribe for another video. Oh boy,